word to say. You say I'm. No, say I'm. Rat. You're rat.
Too well.
That's good. She is what? You say Lexi? Yeah, we're working on that, aren't we? It's a hard one. Mommy can hardly say it lately. Lexi. Lexi. No. Lexi. Wait, nobody.
What is that?
Trying to give her a top. Lexi, Lexi, Lexi. Oh, I'm tired. Was it funny?
Get a shot of everybody in here. Post it for Stephanie.
You stay there. Oh, we didn't put it in there. That's right. You can walk it up the slope into the arena. We go for a walk, and she started heading up the slope, and she got partway up and started. I had to push her from the back.